When you open your Garex garage door every morning, you are using technology that took humanity millennia to develop. From metalwork to engineering, there's a lot of mastery in that door and a whole team of experts behind it who pride themselves on the quality they deliver. Well-designed begins with sourcing the right materials, be it steel or aluminum. The metals are first extracted from Canadian mines, then transformed into metal sheet rolls and delivered to our warehouses to be manufactured into the housing of each panel. Our 2 manufacturing facilities are equipped with embossing presses that produce a variety of panel designs for customers to choose from. Each panel is then reinforced, assembled, and sealed with our composite end blocks, a Garex exclusive, to be subsequently injected with polyurethane for optimal insulation. Easily customized means our customers get to pick not only the size and color of their insulated panel garage door, but also personalize many other aspects like the windows by choosing their design, positioning, and glass type. Quick to install is part of our promise, and it starts with manufacturing the highest quality tracks, custom-made springs, and including the appropriate installation hardware and weather stripping. Each panel is then packaged with care and shipped from our Canadian facilities to your local installer. So the next time you use your Garex garage door, you'll know there's a whole team of experts behind it who believe in performance made simple. Garex garage doors. Well designed, easily customized, quick to install.